Imagine this: your lights, your music, your entire home, all in perfect sync. The latest Philips Hue update is here, and it's taking smart living to a whole new level. Let's dive into what's new in Philips Hue App version 5.52.0 and why it might just be your most seamless smart home experience yet. The 5.52.0 update is rolling out now for iOS, with Android close behind. It comes just a week after Hue's cozy fall-themed scenes, but this time the spotlight's on integration, intelligence, and innovation. Here's what's lighting up the Hue ecosystem. First up, Matter support for Apple Home. With this new feature, you can now export your Hue lighting scenes directly to Apple Home. Just open your favorite scene, tap the three dots icon, and select Add to Apple Home. From there, your Hue scenes can be triggered by any Apple Home device, from your iPhone to your HomePod, unifying your smart home like never before. It's one small tap for users and one big leap for cross-platform control. Security also gets smarter. This update brings support for the new Philips Hue Secure video doorbell and Hue Secure smart chime. Together, they blend safety with style, so your home isn't just illuminated beautifully, it's protected intelligently. Think of it as peace of mind powered by Hue. And now, your lights can groove to your tunes. The Philips Hue app now connects directly with Sonos Voice Control. That means you can turn your lights on or off, dim them down, or even activate a scene all through your Sonos speaker. Just say the word. Setup is simple. Head to Settings, Smart Home, plus Sonos Voice Control. Right now, Sonos Voice supports English and French, with more languages expected soon. The 5.52.0 update is available now on the Apple App Store and will arrive soon for Android users through the Google Play Store. Make sure to update and unlock the latest features today. With deeper Matter integration, smarter security, and Sonos-powered voice control, Philips Hue is transforming the way your home feels, sounds, and responds. This isn't just lighting, it's living reimagined. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more updates in the world of smart home tech, because your home deserves to be as brilliant as you are.